Hi YouTube, today I got something really special for you, which is how you can convert a JPEG file or a PNG file into editable text. Or you can also convert a piece of handwritten document into editable text within minutes using Google Drive. And I'm sure it's going to help you a lot, saving your time. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to open your Google Drive document. You can go to drive.google.com, or you can click on the little icon on the top right corner and find a drive. So it's going to be like this. The second step is to insert a picture file. You can insert a PNG file, a JPEG file, whatever. You can click new and upload file. Go to the link that you save the file. For example, I have here the journal. This is the first method that you can do, or you can just drag and drop the file here. I have here two more picture that I can drop it here. Go right here, and now this is where the magic happens. Right click on the file you want to convert into text, and then choose open with Google Docs. Wait for a moment and you can see how amazing it is. The first half is an image and the second half is a converted text, and now you can easily edit these texts. You can change the color, you can rewrite it, or do whatever you want to. Let's try another one. This is the handwritten piece of paper. Open it, Google Docs. Let's see what happened. Voila, really interesting, right? Sometimes you are going to see some minor error, but you can quickly fix it, right? Try another one which is longer and it's kind of harder to read. Wow, how easy it is, right? This is the picture. It's kind of really hard to read, right? So maybe the machine is going to have some problem. You can also find some errors here. Anyway, Google Machine helps us a lot, saving our time. And I have to say thank you, Google, and thank you everyone for watching the video. See you next time.